Ready to ditch the one-size-fits-all approach and skyrocket your online sales by segmenting your customer base with multiple Wix stores? First, for completely separate businesses, you'll need separate Wix accounts, each with its own email address and subscription plan to create a new account. Head to Wix.com and click Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create your new account using a different email than your existing Wix account. Once logged in, you can start building your new store from scratch or choose from Wix's stunning templates. Tailor the design and products to resonate with your target audience for this specific store. Now, if you want to manage multiple stores within a single dashboard, explore multi-store management apps in the Wix app market. Search for terms like multi-store sync or inventory management. These apps can help you sync products, track inventory, and manage orders across your stores. Carefully review the app descriptions, pricing, and user reviews before installing one. Once installed, follow the app's setup instructions to connect your various stores. Leverage Wix Analytics to monitor the performance of each store individually. This data will provide valuable insights into customer behavior and help you optimize your marketing efforts for each targeted segment. Remember to customize your marketing strategies for each store to effectively reach your specific audience. Use targeted ads, email campaigns, and social media promotions. That's it. Now you're equipped to create and manage multiple Wix stores, unlocking new avenues for business growth and customer engagement. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips and tricks.